Okay, so quickly, I wanted to do a quick vlog about gas prices, and oh, oh.
Sorry. So yeah, do you hear that? Like, why does my voice sound like that? What's going on? Okay, so it's been like 20 minutes since I sneezed, and my voice still sounds all freaky like a monster. So my mom said to drink organic soy milk because I don't have enough soy in my diet, and that's why my voice turned all monstery. So I'm just drinking soy milk, but it's not very good because it's just vanilla, and I I just want to sound normal again. I don't want to sound like a monster. I already look like a monster. Why do I need to sound like one too? My mom is really worried, so she's gonna take me to the doctor. So I'll be back and I'll tell you guys what the doctor said. The doctor said that things are probably gonna get worse before they get better. So now I'm kinda even more nervous.
It's been 2 days since the sneeze, and my voice just completely went the opposite way. And I just don't know what to do anymore. I mean, like,
I mean, like, it's just my voice just won't go back, and like everyone thinks I'm a freak because I sound so weird all the time, and I just don't know what to do. Wait, I sound normal again. It's me. It's a really me.